Yeah, good morning, guys. Thank you for tuning in. It's Monday morning, and hopefully this week will be far better than last week. Yeah, because last week I did a lot of dumb stuff. Like for example, I overtraded. I took 10 trades last week. 10 trades in 4 days. 10 trades. So this week I'm not going to make that mistake anymore. Also, I started trading Frankfurt session. I just want to show you guys something. This is the reason why we have to be consistent with our approach with whatever we do on the charts. Now, today that I've decided not to trade Frankfurt anymore, Frankfurt provided a very clean setup. Very clean setup today. You see, a very clean setup, and I would have won this trade. You understand? I would have won this trade. I would have been up $150 on my funded account. Yeah, so yeah, guys, we just have to be consistent with whatever we do on the chart. Seriously, how do you explain this, guys? How do you explain this? Go on the 5 minutes time frame. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this rejection candle. Look at this engulfing candle. This is where I would have dropped my taken my trade, and then look at this 4 pip stop loss would have worked very fine. It would have given me a 4-ish to reward ratio. Meanwhile, I watched this thing play out in my presence. I could not even do nothing about it. Nothing about it. Now I'm waiting for price to close above this region. Huh? Price should close above this region. Come back to retest it, and then I'll look for my entry pattern to take it to the upside because EU is bullish. As you can see, look at the 4 hours time frame. EU is bullish. Now, the last 4 hours candle closed bullish, and now price has flipped bullish on the second candle. So created bottom week. Yeah. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. I'm going to update you guys if I take any trade. But no matter what you do, guys, remain consistent, guys. Otherwise, you'll be facing things like this. Yo, guys. So I just took this trade. I just executed this trade on my accounts. As you can see, this is my 10K account. I took this trade on my 10K account and then on my funded account, which is the 5K account. So let's see what happens. Now, let me explain why I took this trade. So price broke above this 1 hour zone here, resistance. Price closed above it on the 15 minutes. Now price came back to retest it. Then if you go on the 5 minutes, you will see this engulfing candle. It's not so engulfing though, but it is what it is. So as this price was breaking to the upside, I took the trade here. Yeah. So let's see if this trade will work out for us. This is the first trade of the week. So let's see. So guys, this is how far price have moved. This is how far price have moved. So if price can break this zone here and close above it, I'll move my trade to break even. So my target on the 5K account is like 4-ish to reward ratio. Why? Because if price can hit 4-ish to reward ratio, then I'll wait for payouts. I need to hit at least $200 to be able to ask for payouts. Now guys, this is the trade. Price has moved very close to 1-ish to reward ratio. So I don't need to wait for it to close. Almost 2-ish to reward ratio, sorry. I don't need to wait for it to close. So I'm moving my trades to break even now. Now, look at it now. Almost 2-ish to reward ratio now. So my trade is going to break even. Yeah. That's my 10K account. Let me go to the 5K account. This price is smooth. See, look at it. 2-ish to reward ratio at its peak. At this candle's peak, it was 2-ish to reward ratio. So yeah, I just hope that this trade can just move to this zone. I just hit my TP for me. This will be wonderful. Yeah. So let's see what happens.
Yikes!
Man, price hits my break even, man. Yeah, guys. So I just took this trade on EU. So EU is respecting this 1 hour zone here. This zone, this 1 hour zone there. Price broke above it. If you go on the 15 minutes, you see that price closed above it. Now price came back to retest it again, and now it's moving to the upside. So hopefully this trade will work out for us. I don't know if I should just target 2 risk to reward ratio on this trade, because I mean, I don't understand the currency pairs today, guys. I just got aggressive and took this trade on GU also. Meanwhile, I've moved EU to break even. So if EU comes back to hit me here on my break even, that means I'll take a break even EU. And then if GU give me a loss, that means I'll be down -1% for the day. My target on this trade is 2 risk to reward ratio. And then on the other trade, I think it's about 2 risk to reward ratio too. So yeah, and guys, this is what the trade looks like right now, man. I've closed the 10k account. 10k account hits 2 risk to reward ratio here, and then even on the GU, price moved this far, and then now it's reversing. On my 5k account, the trade is still on. Man, I should have closed this trade. Yeah, guys, so this trade finally hit TP. Yeah! This is the GU trade, and then this is the EU trade. I feel so happy. Meanwhile, my EU target was just 2 risk to reward ratio. Yeah? The target on EU was just 2 risk to reward ratio. And then if you look here on my 5% account, as you can see, I'm up almost 4%. So with this, I'll be able to withdraw. So I'm not going to trade this account anymore. I'm going to wait until my payout day. So I will request my payout and then just withdraw. So that will be sometime next week, maybe on Wednesday or maybe on Thursday. And then another payout coming next week. Yeah. I feel so happy, guys. I feel so happy. God is good, guys. God is good. Hi, guys. I just got paid out by Alpha Capital. Yay! As you can see here, this is the email that was sent to me. And then this is my rise. I just received $130. Oof. $103. Why did I receive this much? $103. Not supposed to be. It's supposed to be 90 something dollars. Well, I don't know. Man, these guys paid me extra. Really? I don't understand. They made a mistake. They did not remove their profit split. What happened? Was there any bonus or something? I don't know. But they paid me extra, guys. My initial balance was $1. And now my profit split, if you go on their... Okay, look at this. This is my certificate. It's written here that I was paid $91. But on Rise, they paid extra. I don't know. Well, it is my lucky day. I'm going to withdraw this money. So guys, good morning. It's Tuesday morning and I just entered this trade on GBP/USD. My target is 3 risk to reward ratio. So let's see if it will hit for us. Guys, this is an update on the trade. So price is really sluggish today, so I've reduced. Meanwhile, this is 1.5 risk to reward ratio. So when price hits 1.5 risk to reward ratio, I would move my trade to break even. But I've reduced my take profits to 2 risks to reward ratio because price is kind of slow today. We check the 5 minutes time frame. Look at this, and this is not G. G used to move faster than this. You understand? So I don't know. If you look at EU is, I think EU is moving faster. Check the 5 minutes time frame. I don't know. So it's time to move my trades to break even. Look at this. So this is my 10k account. I'm moving it to break even now. Price should just hit for us. Yeah, that's my 10k account, and then this is my 5k account. 5k account, the funded account. Trades on break even. Then guys, price stopped me out at break even. So annoying. I knew that price was not going to move to the upside. That's why I reduced my take profit to 2 risk to reward ratio. So I don't know. Maybe I should just call it a day. Seriously. Because I don't want to take any loss today. But if I see an engulfing candle to the upside, because sometimes price will just come back and respect this zone and then just move to the upside after stopping me out on break even. But let me see. I'm going to update you guys if I take any other trade. Yeah, guys, so this is my second attempt of the day, which is my last one. Yeah, my target will be 2 risk reward ratio on this trade. This is how far price has moved. Now look at this, price came very close. I was just so lucky, guys. Price came very close to this zone, very close. Look at this, less than 0.1 pip to taking me out. But price reversed. So price is currently sitting at 1 risk reward ratio. If price can just break this zone here, then I will move my trade to break even. So let's see what happens. This trade resulted to a break even. Now price moved very close to hitting my TP, and then price reversed. Meanwhile, if you look at EU moved a lot today. EU moved a lot. I wish I stick to EU. I wish I was just consistent this week and just stick to EU. Yo, good morning, guys. Welcome to a brand new day. Meanwhile, I'm looking at EU. I don't know if I will take any trade today because, as you can see, EU created a new high, and EU is known for pullbacks, right? I believe that price is supposed to come down here to retest this zone before going to the upside. But however, you can still decide to continue the buys. All right. So I don't know if I'll be taking any trades today, because if price is setting up to come to the downside, I don't think I'll take any sales. Or maybe if price wants to continue to the upside, perhaps I can take the buys. Yeah. So I'm going to update you guys if I take any trade. However, I bought the 50k account that I told you guys last week that I would buy. So yesterday, Sunday Pips was doing some sort of promo of 20% off, so I had to utilize it. Meanwhile, this account that I bought is a 6% drawdown account, 6% target for phase 1 and 6% target for phase 2. So I don't know. Maybe I will start trading this account next week when I've been able to make profit on my funded account, on the 5k account. So now I'll be waiting for payout. I'll be trading this account and then the 10k account. And then for the 10k account, my plan is to risk 2%. Immediately I recover that drawdown. Immediately I recover the drawdown, my plan is to risk 2%. 1 trade a day. I think that's what I'm going to be doing henceforth. Yeah, that is when I recover the drawdown. Yeah, so price close bullish, this candle bullish. Yeah, it's London open. So I'm looking to, if price can just break above this zone, then maybe retest it and then give me my confirmation. Maybe I will take the price. But if price decides to break to the downside, I don't think I will be taking the sales. However, if you look at the 4 hours time frame, you see that these 2 candles closed bearish, and now price created this top wick. It's about to flip bearish. I don't know. Maybe I might still take the sales. So if price can just break down, then look at this. If price can break down, close here, come back to retest it, then maybe I will take the sell. Maybe. But the sell is kind of low probability because for like 2 days now, how many days now, EU has been massively bullish. All right. So I'm going to update you guys. Guys, I just took this trade on my account. I just entered this trade. Now, if price gets to this zone, because I don't trust this market. If price gets to this zone, I'm going to move my trades to break even, because price might just get here and then reverse to the downside. Yeah, that's how. As you can see, the 5 minutes candle just closed, and if you check on the 15 minutes, the 15 minutes candle just closed. And if you see, overall market is bearish, bullish, sorry. Yeah, and prices has been respecting this other block for a while now. For how many? For how long now? For about 1 hour 15 minutes. So I don't see why market should give me a loss, but if it does, no problems. So price is currently at this zone. This is a strong zone. So I'm going to move my trades to break even now. I'm moving my trades to break even now, all of them, because price will just come down from there. Let's see. This is my 10K account. Let's see. The 5K account. Yeah. This trade hit my break even, guys. Good morning, guys. I just took this trade on Euro USD. I didn't take this trade on this is my 10K account, so I did not take this trade on my 5K. Why? Because on my FX book, they have speaking news. Now, with this Alpha Capital, they always have one kind of crazy rule. Now, I might take this trade now, and the trade might hit CP before then, but they will tell you that this speaking news has to end before you close your trade. So that means if this speaking news runs for the whole day, you can't close your trade. If you close your trade, then they are not going to pay you out. And seriously, looks like I regret not taking this trade, because I would have just targeted 1 to 2, and price is almost there. Because the news is in about 18 minutes. Well, I'm just being careful, guys. I'm just being careful. Seriously, I won't lie to you. I'm just being careful, because these guys, they have crazy rules. And meanwhile, if you go to Forex Factory, you will not see that news there. And this news will not do anything in the market. You will not see any impact. But let's just be cautious. I don't want my payout denied anymore. So no problems. I took this trade on my my 10K account. So hopefully, if this trade can hit TP for us, that means we will be able to recover some drawdown today. Hi guys, I'm back again. So yeah, it's time to move my trade to break even. Price moves 2 arrow at this candle's peak here. 2 risk to reward ratio. So it's time to move my trade to break even. Here you go.
Ouch.
Man, guys, this is so annoying. So annoying. Guys, I entered this trade again. So after price stopped me out, price went to this 1 hour zone. I'll show you guys. Look at this. As you can see, price is bullish, right? Yeah. Now price went to this 1 hour zone here. Price came here, broke above it, tapped it, and now price is going to the upside. So let's see what happened. I think I'm gonna take this trade on my 5K, on my 50K account too. So guys, at this candle peak here, price moved 1.5 risk to reward ratio, 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. No, 1.5 risk to reward ratio. So I'm moving my trades to the break even on my 10K account. Yes, this is my 10K account. And then on my 50K account, because I did not enter early. Now I'm supposed to move this trade to break even, because I said I was going to move the trade to break even when price hits 1 to 1, and the price did here over 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio, but I did not enter early, so this zone is kind of tight. So I'm waiting for this candle to flip bullish again, you understand, before I move my trade to break even. Seriously, I'm not going to take any loss today. I'm going to take mostly on this my new account. I might just move my trades to break even on this account, because I don't understand why is the market struggling to break this zone. So yeah, guys, this trade finally hit TP for us. You can see this is the 10K account, so I was able to recover at least 2 more percent. Now I'm up. I'm not up. I mean, I recovered some of the drawdown. I think now I'm down to 1.7%. And then on the 50K account, as you can see, I closed this trade here at $1,025. But these people, they gave me just $1,000. As you can see here, they play me while you. Well, anyway, I'm grateful to God for this day, seriously. So henceforth, I think I'll just be going for 2 risk to reward ratio, seriously, because I mean, recently I've just been getting break-evens. I mean, it does not make sense. It was a profitable week so far. Thank God for that. Now imagine something like this. Now price just hit my 2 risk to reward ratio. Now it's dropping again. Can you imagine something like this, guys? Imagine. What if I was targeting 3 risk to reward ratio? If the price will not come down and hit my break even. No. 2 risk to reward ratio henceforth. I'm ending the vlog here. Yes, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for supporting your boy. Yeah, so please, if you're yet to subscribe and like my videos, please do that right now, please. So that it can help the channel grow, right? And guys, please, if there's anything you want me to improve on, please drop it on the comment section. I'll appreciate your feedback, so I'll know what to do on maybe the next videos.